Today I'm going to make mini whisk handles using scrap wood. First step, make some blanks. Now I'm going to use the horizontal boring feature on my shopsmith to drill holes for the whisks. I'm going to use my Nova chuck to hold the blanks. Now I'm going to swap out the chuck for a live center. And I can mount that blank up back on the Nova chuck and turn it into a handle. Now for some rough sanding and to add a little detail. I'm going to clean it up with some DNA, and then I'm going to add a 2-step Star-Bond CA finish. Quick sand with 800 grit, and then off camera work up from 1000 to 10,000 with a micro mesh. Then back over to the whisks, where I'm going to take them apart so I can get the handles ready to insert into the holes I drilled. I'm going to mix up some 5-minute epoxy and use the handles to get it down into the hole. And that's it. Quick cleanup and these are done. Just got to finish off 3 or 4 more. Thanks for watching. And if you liked this, please like and subscribe. Follow me for more. And if you didn't, leave me a comment to tell me what I could have done better.